Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've been on the channel or did any updates, so I thought I'd do a quick video of a recent pickup. It's the CLM Siren that was used on Bayview Avenue in Toronto, Ontario. Once I learned it was removed, started calling the city, and it took over a year to finally figure out the company that removed it, and they were supposed to dispose of the siren and everything. Thankfully, a nice gentleman gave him a call, and he actually kept the siren. He scrapped everything else, but he knew the significance of what this was, unlike a lot of them that hit the scrap heap. Tag's a little bit damaged there. It's a little rusty. Here's the other tag here. Though supposedly this works, he said that it was connected for a movie shoot or something like that a few years before it was removed. It worked. I don't know why they would have done that, but suppose it works, so I'll take that. Overall, pretty good shape. Here's the router there. Actually had one of these a few years ago, actually a little bit longer than that now. I got it from Renfrew, Ontario, and I actually donated it back to the township, and they found the original pole from the scrapper, who also donated it back to them, who's actually using it as a zip line pole, and they've completely restored it to fully working condition, installed it beside their museum. So I figured I wasn't be able to get another opportunity to get one of these, but I'm thankful that I managed to pick this one up to preserve it. I'll try to do some more videos and some more uploads. I've thinned out the collection over the years, but still have a few of the main ones. Thanks for watching.